Today, I am reviewing the PetSafe Original Wireless Electric Fence. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Right out of the box, the setup process is where the system immediately wins you over. True to the manufacturer's claims, there is absolutely no digging or burying wires required. You simply find a central location inside your home, ideally on the ground floor away from major metal objects, large appliances, or electrical panels, and plug in the portable transmitter. Within just a few hours, including the time it took to walk the perimeter and map out the training flags, the fence was fully operational. The transmitter creates an adjustable circular boundary that can cover up to a half-acre area. While a circular boundary is incredibly convenient to set up, you do need to keep in mind that it will not perfectly match a square or a rectangular property line. In my own yard, this meant I had to adjust the range dial carefully so the signal did not bleed over into my neighbor's driveway while still giving my dog plenty of room to sprint around in the backyard. If you have a massive property, you can actually chain additional transmitters together to expand the zone, but for a standard suburban lot, a single unit provides plenty of coverage. The collar itself is impressively designed but has a few specific quirks you need to know about. It is rated for dogs weighing 8 pounds and up, adjusting to fit neck sizes anywhere from 6 to 28 inches. On a medium to large dog, it sits comfortably and securely without being overly bulky. It is also fully waterproof, which I thoroughly tested during a few heavy autumn downpours and unexpected muddy puddle sprints. The receiver did not skip a single beat. The system uses a two-stage boundary reminder, starting with an audible warning tone as your dog approaches the edge, followed by a safe static correction if they continue past the threshold. Training your dog is the absolute most critical part of this entire process, and you simply cannot skip it. It took about 2 weeks of consistent, positive reinforcement training with the included flags for my dog to fully understand that the warning beep meant it was time to turn back toward the house. Once they learn the boundary, the tone alone is usually more than enough to keep them safely in the designated play zone. One of the absolute best engineering choices made here is the static-free re-entry feature. With older or cheaper in-ground fence designs, if a dog gets spooked by something and breaches the perimeter, they face another painful shock when trying to run back home into the yard. This often leaves dogs stranded outside, terrified to return to their own doorstep. This PetSafe wireless system completely solves this flaw by ensuring that if your dog does pass the boundary line, they can walk right back into the safe zone without receiving any static correction at all. It provides massive peace of mind, knowing that my pet will never be penalized for coming back to safety. Another huge selling point for me is the genuine portability. Because the transmitter is relatively compact and just requires a standard wall outlet, it makes a fantastic travel companion. We recently took the entire setup with us on a camping trip to a vacation cabin, plugged it into an outdoor outlet, and within 20 minutes, we had a temporary, secure play area for our dog without having to tether them to a tree or keep them on a short leash the whole weekend. If there are any downsides to point out after extended use, it comes down to the battery system and your local terrain. The collar relies on a proprietary PetSafe RFA 67D11 battery. While the battery life genuinely lasts up to 2 months before the low battery indicator starts flashing, I highly recommend keeping a spare battery or 2 in your drawer so you do not get caught off guard when it eventually dies. Additionally, because this system relies on a consistent radio frequency signal, very dense trees, heavy slope changes in your yard, or large metal outbuildings can occasionally cause minor signal interference or create blind spots where the boundary fluctuates slightly. Overall, the PetSafe Original Wireless Fence delivers exactly what it promises. It provides an exceptionally reliable, hassle-free alternative to physical fences and buried wires. It is durable, highly portable, and features incredibly smart safety designs like the static-free re-entry. As long as you dedicate the proper time to train your dog alongside the boundary flags, this system is a phenomenal investment that will save you thousands of dollars while keeping your furry best friend safe and free to roam.